Now let us go to question number 7 of exercise 3.2. The question says that draw the graph of x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Also, determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis. And the last part says that and shade the triangular region. So this question consists of 3 sections. Section 1, draw the graph of these two lines. Section 2, find the coordinates of the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis. Children, over here in place of x-axis, it can be y-axis also for a separate question. And the third part is shade the triangular region which you have got. So this is an important question from the examination point of view. Let us start. First section, that is draw the graph of x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Now we are knowing everything. We are knowing how to draw the graph. We are knowing how to find the coordinates of the triangle, and after that we can shade the required triangle. So for x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, we can write y equals to x plus 1. Let us make the box. Put x equals to 0, y is equals to 1, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. We can put over here x is equals to minus 1, then y will be 0. X equals to minus 1, then y is 0. It's not compulsorily that you have to take this point. 2 or 3 points are sufficient for making the line. Now for 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. We can write over here 2y equals to 12 minus of 3x. Therefore, y equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. Now let us make the box for this. Now when x will be 0, y will be 12 by 2, that is 6. Now let us take x is equals to 2. So over here 12 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So over here 2, 3. Now let us take x is equals to 4. Then y will be equals to 12 minus 3 4s are 12 by 2, that is 0 by 2 equals to 0. So let us write over here 4 and 0. So we got this box for the second equation also. Now we have to plot it. So let us draw the graph of the given two linear equations. We have already got the box. The box for x minus y plus 1 is this one, and the box for 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0 is this one. Children, you can take some other points. It's not necessary that whatever points the teacher has taken, you have to take the same. Now let us plot for x minus y plus 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1 here, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 1, 0 also was the point. So minus 1, 0, I have taken over here. If not, then also we can get the line. So let us draw the line. Now this line is x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now for the second line, let us first plot the points. The points are 0, 6, 0 and 6. So this one is 0, 6, then 2, 3, same point, 4, 0, so 4, 0, 4, 0. Let us draw the line. So we are getting over here, this line is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. So now we have got the two lines. So the first part of the question is done. Let us draw the graph of these two linear equations. Now the second part of the question saying that find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle found by these lines and the x-axis. Now in this question we are knowing that the coordinate of this point is 2, 3, and this point 2, 3 is only forming the point of intersection of these two lines, and the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis is this triangle A, B and C only, and this point 2, 3 is forming one of the vertices of this triangle. So no need to calculate it. Now suppose children, this point 2, 3 was some other point, that is, now suppose children, this point 2, 3 which we have got in this equation, in another question suppose this point 2, 3 was is not mentioned. I mean we haven't taken 2, 3 as one of the points as we have got over here. Then in that case over here this point 2, 3 we have to calculate. That is, we have to solve this equation and get this point of intersection. You solve this either by the substitution method or elimination method, because it's your rough part. It's not to be shown in the solution part. So when you will solve this, you will be getting x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. By chance over here we have taken the point 2, 3 and over here also 2, 3. If you haven't taken, suppose I would not have taken this point 2, 3. Then obviously through the graph you can detect that this point is 2, 3, but suppose over here I am drawing, so I am not knowing this point is exactly 2, 3 or not. So for that purpose I have to calculate it and check whether this point is 2, 3 or not. I think you got what I want to say, children. So let us proceed further. We have drawn the graph of the two lines. Now we are knowing the triangle also. So second part, coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So let us write now. Coordinates, you write the required triangle is triangle ABC, and the coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC are A 2, 3, B -1, 0 and C 4, 0. So the second section of the question is done. Now the third section is saying that shade the triangular region. So simply you take scale and pencil and shade it in any pattern whichever you wish, neatly. So children, this question is done, and this question if it comes, it will be coming under 4 mark section. So you draw the arrow on both the sides. If possible you can write the graph also, I mean topic also. So topic you can be writing that graphical representation of x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. More properly you can give the scale also over here. Scale will be over here along x axis 10 small division equals to 1 unit, and over here also y axis 10 small division equals to 1 unit. So everything in your graph should be properly mentioned, and hence make your graph perfect.